Numismatics. Today I'm going to be talking about NGC X, which is NGC's, or Certified Collectibles Group, new service on coin grading. This is, I guess, a way to modernize how they grade coins, as well as, I think, a huge money grab. So basically, on modern coins, American Silver Eagles, the new mint products that come out each year, are going to be doing a 10-point grading system. So basically, they're just taking the 70-point coin grading system and putting it into 10 for people outside of the hobby to, I guess, make more sense of the grading system, but they put it exactly the 70-point system. So instead of converting it into an actual 10-point system, they just converted a direct. So it goes, you have your 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60. And what, you think it's going to go directly down to 8? No. 58, 55, 53. Then you have 8. You have 7.5, 7, 6.5, 6. So it's a straight up 70-point conversion, except without the pluses, I assume. I don't think there's going to be pluses. One thing is, as a purist, 70-point scale is pretty wacky, but it works well and has worked well, grading coins for quite a long time. And even before the Sheldon grading scale was developed, there was still not a 10-point system. It was just words that divide pretty evenly into the weird 70-point system. Even if we skip certain numbers, I feel like it's easier to grasp than a 10-point system with random decimals thrown in. As the entrepreneur inside of me, I think this is marketing more towards card collectors. If you're a card collector, one, you've already started to collect something and putting money into a grading service. And by NGC's standard, you're a great opportunity to get another customer to go into coin collecting. So from gaining new collectors, I think it's good. And the fact that it's only modern coins, I think, is the only saving grace from a pure numismatic standpoint, because already the modern coin market is more gimmicks than pure collecting. If you can hear my cat in the background, that is Big Nub. Yes. This is really, really marketed towards card collectors. Coin collecting and silver stacking also has like breaks, I guess, or raffles, where you put in money and you get a chance at like a lottery system or a raffle for those. But in card collecting, they have box breaks, where you buy a card pack and then they sell off different packs and you open those up. So essentially what NGC is doing is they're having these and they're even creating boxes. They have a red box. It's a short NGC box. They've had some similar in the past, but this box is filled with some random ones that they're selling for, it's basically a lottery ticket for other coins. Essentially the same thing as card boxes in card collecting. And I think that is the main part I have a problem with. They're doing it to make money. So obviously, the probability of you making your money back in, say, like 10 boxes, you spend your $1,000 or whatever, and you get basically $1,000 worth. Well, they need a profit, so you're only going to get like $800, $900 on average. So I think NGC doing that for that reason, I have a big problem with that in general, even in card collecting. I think it's, especially when it's geared towards the younger collectors, it's just gambling in a different form. And already you can see the pre-sales. So they're selling for around the same as MS70s. And it's quite funny how many people have already started to buy these, which is strange. So these are probably already coin collectors. Maybe, the best possible scenario is the card collectors or other people who get interested in coins because of this venture into, classical coin collecting. And you can always collect what you like, but I think the boxes are the real thing I have problem. Sorry about that. Apparently it's called Vault Box. So anyway, here it is. We have the random pulls, real value, inspired by the excitement of opening trading card boxes. But now every pull has value, so at least they include that. So you're not going to get that. But yeah, immediate offers on every coin pulled at aggressive cash out prices. So I have a decent problem with NGC itself doing it and putting their own values, but I guess that's the same as CAC buying their own coins, but with a lot less. Like they're specifically just making a market for themselves. So, launching January next month, we'll have more information there to see. But I think this is just an absolutely terrible idea. This is like, NGC X, the 10-point grading isn't that much of a problem or a deal at anything. I mean, it's literally just the 70-point scale into a 10-point scale. But this is just strange. Very strange. I don't like it. But what do you guys think? And if you're card collectors as well and have done box breaks and such, let me know what you think about this. Is this something you're excited for? Or is this essentially just, gambling? So, if you like the video, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching this far into the video. And let me know what you think in the comments. I'm always here for suggestions or critiques. And thank you. Have a great day.